Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and we are outside of CVS, gonna do our CVS haul for this week. There are some really good cash card deals, a bunch of different scenarios you guys can do based on what you're looking for. So if you need diapers, there's gonna be a really good Pampers deal. That's the one I'm gonna wind up doing. So I'll show you guys in store the different items that you're gonna purchase for that deal. There will also be some additional listed in the Printable Breakdown. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the deals going on going forward. So let's go in store and see what we have. Okay, so the CVS Coupon Center wasn't working, so I can't show you the CRTs. Hopefully it'll work a little bit later in the video so I can show them for you guys. But the first deal we're gonna do is on the Nivea. It is on sale, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So the best deal is to pick up two of the smaller ones. They're the 8.4 fluid ounce. They are $4.99. You're gonna buy two of those, use a 3 off 2 Nivea lotion coupon from today's insert, the 12.8 Retail Me Not. You're gonna pay $6.98 and get back a $5 extra buck. You can grab these little tins as well. They're just a little bit more expensive, so it would be a little bit more out of pocket. But if you do it with this way, final cost is gonna be 99 cents each. If you have a 2 off 6 lotion CRT or 2 off 6 Nivea CRT, pair it and that'll make them free. Dial again is on sale, 2 for $7. So if you've gotten any of those $3 off CRTs, make sure you pay attention to the scent. It'll only work on the scent. So if you got Manuka Honey, you've got to grab this one, so on and so forth. So you've grabbed two of these, use two of the $3 off CRTs. Final cost is just $1 or 50 cents each. No extra bucks back or anything like that. If you have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT, it's going to make them absolutely free. You will not get that $1 back. The CRT will just adjust down to being $1. So you will wind up losing $1 on that one, but it'll make them completely free for $2 body wash. So still a great option. Okay, so Dove and Tresemme, it's the same deal. So you would pick one or the other, whichever one you like best. The deal I'm gonna show you is gonna be on the Dove. So deal is they're on buy one, get one half off, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So the best deal is to pick up 4 of these. You can mix and match, shampoos, conditioners, whatever. There's some more down here, different varieties for you guys. So pick whatever works best for you. Then you're gonna use 2 $4 off 2 coupons from the 12.1 Retail Me Not. You're gonna use a 4 off 18 hair care CRT. You're gonna pay $5.96 out of pocket, get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is just 97 cents for all 4 or 23 cents each. Imagine getting Dove, which is a really nice brand for shampoo and conditioner, 12 fluid ounces, 4 of them for 23 cents each. Really, really hot deal. I highly recommend taking advantage of this one. Okay, the Tide Simply Liquid is gonna be on sale for $2.94. So you can either pick up one of these, or let's go down here, or you can pick up one of these Downy fabric softeners. They are also $2.94, and this is for the 40 load. There's a $1 off coupon in today's insert, the 12.8 inserts, and it's gonna be only $1.94 after. So you can pick up one or the other. It'll be just $1.94. You can pick up multiple. There's just only one of those coupons unless you want to purchase multiple newspapers. Or of course you can go on the couponmarketplace.com, and if they have that one available, you can purchase that so you can do a couple of these deals. Okay, it is cash card deal time. So first thing I'm gonna get for the cash card, it's gonna be these Tide pods with Downy included. It's 12 or 14 pods, I don't know, can't see. 12 pods. So they're $4.94. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the cart, which of course is way over here. And back over here. Sorry, I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy. The next thing we're going to get is Tide Liquid. And they don't have the Febreze that I like to get. So I'm just gonna get the Downy. It's on sale, $5.94. There's a $2 off digital for the Tide Liquid and a $2 off digital for the Tide Pods. So make sure you guys check your account and clip those to your account. If you have a 2 off 8 Tide CRT, make sure you send that to your card as well, or print it out at the red box. But again, my red box, only for my account, seems to not be working for some reason. So I'm gonna have to call that 800 number. So I can't show you what the CRT looks like, but it is a 2 off 8 Tide CRT. Now we're gonna go pick up some Pampers to complete this cash card deal. So Pampers is included this week, super excited. So you can see it is tagged in the store. It's included in the cash card deal. They're on sale 2 for $20. So right there saves you $8 because typically they are $13.99 at my CVS. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. I need the 3 to 40. 1, 2, and there's 22 in here. So it is the jumbo pack that's included. So that's really nice. There's a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You wanna make sure that you clip that to your account. There's also, I have a 3 off of 15 baby care CRT that I'm gonna go ahead and clip to the account as well because the CRT is not printing. So, pull it up here. So, once you use the 3 off 2 digital, we have the 2 Tide laundry, $2 digital for the Tide liquid, $2 digital for the Tide pods, 2 off 8 Tide CRT, 3 off 15 diaper CRT. The total for all the products is $30.88. So we hit that $30 spend threshold. After all the CRTs and coupons, we're gonna pay $18.88, get back a $10 cash card. Final cost is just $2.22 each. Really, really hot deal for some diapers. Those are super expensive items. We all know that for babies. So I'm really excited that I could share this deal with you guys. Okay, so Schick is on sale. It's not tagged at my store, which is weird. They're usually pretty good at tagging, but, oh, it does show here. Schick disposable razors, spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. They just tagged it on the Skintimate on accident. So what you're gonna pick up is, let me just check my thing. 2 of these Schick Quattros. They're buy one, get one half off. So the first one is gonna be $10.49. Second one is gonna be $5.24. So your total is $15.73. So that's super close to that total. You can get this one over here as well if you'd like, whichever one is best for you guys. They're both for razors. So you're gonna use 2 $4 off 1 coupons from the 11/24 Smart Source. There was a printable coupon on coupons.com that you could use as well. There's also, I believe, a digital coupon. So whatever you wanna do to mix and match, you're gonna use 2 of those. If you have a 3 off 15 razor CRT, make sure you pair that as well. So you're gonna wind up paying $4.73, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them absolutely free. So you're gonna get 2 packages of razors for free, winds up actually being a 27-cent moneymaker. So really hot deal for some disposable razors this week. All right, in the frozen food section, there's a really good deal on DiGiorno. You buy 2, they're 2 for $10. If you buy 1, it's gonna be that $6.59 again. So you've gotta make sure you buy 2 to get the deal. So what you're gonna do is pick up 4, any 4. There's Supreme, there's original cheese over here. There may be some other ones at your stores. These are the only 2 that my store carries. So you're gonna pick up 4. There's a $5 off 3 digital coupon. You wanna make sure you clip that to your card. Then if you have a 3 off 10 food CRT, you're gonna wind up paying just $12 for 4 pizzas, or just $3 a piece, which is really, really hot deal. $3 for a nice large pizza. So if you guys like pizza and you have that CRT, make sure you take advantage of this. Okay, a little side note for your cash card deal, all these little guys are only $1. So if your CVS doesn't go by the 98% rule and say you're at, like, you know, $29.50 or $29 or something like that, you can pick up any of these. It's just $1. So it's a really good filler item if you need to help get to that $30 threshold to be able to do the cash card deal. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. The other deal I wanted to share with you in this aisle, tons of good food deals, 3 for $3 for the Campbell's soup. Okay, this is the one I wanted to share with you. Bam. K-Cups, Dunkin' Donuts K-Cups. They are half off right now. So right there, amazing deal. $5 for 10 of them. K-Cups are really expensive. So the deal you're gonna do, you're gonna pick up 2 of these. Total is $9.98. You're gonna use 2 75-cent off 1 coupons that were available on coupons.com. Then you're gonna use either a 2 off 8 coffee CRT or a, trying to find that coupon for you guys. I know I printed it. I don't know where I put it. But anyways, then you're gonna use either a 2 off 10 Dunkin' CRT or a 2 off 8 coffee CRT. I wish I could show it to you guys. I'm so sorry I don't have any of my CRTs because they wouldn't print for me, unfortunately. So final cost on these is gonna be just $3.24 per box. So $3.24 for 10 K-Cups. So excited about that. So make sure you guys take advantage of this deal. Submit it to Fetch. It may be one of the items that bonuses on Fetch. I'm not sure, but make sure you submit it and give it a shot. Trident this week is on sale. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. And let me check what the final cost will be. Trident gum. Buy 2, receive a $2 extra buck. So they are $1.39 each at my store, $2.78. Once you get back the $2, makes it just 37 cents each. So if you guys like gum, this is a good one. Stride and I think Dentex is included as well. All right, the last deal I want to share with you guys is on Irish Spring Body Wash. So same deal it's usually on, 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. If you haven't printed these coupons yet on irishspring.com, you can print them, but they're only available to print like one time forever. Like they haven't reset for me. I printed them a while ago, but they are 75 cents off 1 coupons. So if you print those, that'll take off $1.50. Then you're gonna be at $6.50. If you have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT, then you're gonna be at $4.50. Get back that $3 extra buck. Final cost, just 75 cents each. So a really good deal. I know a lot of guys love this Irish Spring. I've smelled all of them and they do smell really good. So if you have those CRTs and if you're able to print that, make sure you guys take advantage of this deal. The link for that coupon will be in the description box for you guys, so that way you guys can do it. Okay, so everything went smoothly except for the fact that, I don't know if my CVS account is locked or something, but it wouldn't print my CRTs. It said printer error. So I had a manager come over and look at it and, you know, try to figure it out. His CRT's printed, the next woman behind me CRT's printed, but mine kept saying printer error. So I don't know, I need to figure that out and call like the 800 number or something they were saying. But I didn't have a chance to do that today because I'm about to be late to my nail appointment. So I wanted to at least check out so I can share with you guys all the deals today and get it posted as soon as possible. So I did get my $10 cash card. Yay, I love these things. They're like $10 gift cards. You can use them on anything, anyone's account. They're, you know, whatever. It's just a standard gift card. So you can even give it as a present if you want. You get the $10 cash card. You can give it to someone for a $10 CVS gift card. So really excited about that. Everything else, there's a ton of really good deals going on this week. I did get a 10 off of 50 CRT that I will be using. Make sure you check in the description box below. There is a printable breakdown of all the different deals going on this week. So, excuse me, make sure you mix and match and take advantage of the deals that work best for you guys and your family. If you need anything else or have any questions, of course, make sure you drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.